Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here are the few products that you will need to achieve a minimal makeup look. First one is this Pond's Light Moisturizer. बहुत ही lightweight moisturizer है with vitamin E and glycerin in it, which provides very smooth base to the makeup in the beginning. Next is this Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. I well shake the bottle before I use it and apply it on my one side of my hand. This is the coverage. I think it is the light to medium coverage, which is fine if you doing makeup in the beginning. Next is this Lakme Rose Loose Powder with SPF, and I apply it with the help of brush. I apply it without foundation. See the coverage and quality of this product, this powder, and this is the final look when I blend it all over my hand. Next is this face palette from Swiss Beauty. It has highlighter, contour and blush in it. I think it is a very good palette to use 3 products in one palette, and I use it all the time when I apply powder brushes. This is a contour, blush and highlighter palette. Next is this set of 5 makeup brushes. It has fluffy brush, flat brush and this blush brush also, and I think it's a very good purchase if you want to do makeup in the beginning. Next is this Blue Heaven Get Bold Gel Eyeliner. Good quality with budget friendly price. Next is this Lakme Iconic Eye Kajal, Get Bold Eye Kajal. Very good pigmentation and as well as budget friendly, affordable. Next is this Biotic Lip Color lipstick. It is a natural lip color. It has all the colors in it. I think बहुत ही अच्छा look create कर सकते हो in minimal products के साथ, and hope this video helps you, and I will see you in my next video.